Hi friends, in this video is going to show how to track the location if you miss the phone. For example, if you are using Samsung phone, this is especially for Samsung users. So if you are missing the phone, right, you can easily track the location. But before that, you just need to do this setups. So for example, go to settings. Under settings, right, go to biometrics and security. If it is turned off, right, you'll not be able to find or track your location. So you need to just enable it. If it is disabled, just enable it. Enable the remote unlocks in last locations. Then go to this URL on your browser. Even you can do it on your mobile. So already I have logged in. Find my mobile, samsung.com. So this is my device. Here right side you can see this option, track locations. Just refresh one more time. So I have 100% battery, current locations updated. So click on this track location. So here, right, for your phone's location will be updated every 15 minutes. So I'm gonna just restart because already I have started and stopped it. So that's why I am seeing this option restart. For you, it may be here it's start button. So click on this restart. The current tracking history will be erased. Restart. Your phone location will be updated every 15 minutes. So you can see that now my current location has been updated. So the next 15 minutes it's going to update if the location is changed or if it is moving. So this is the way you can track your phone. But before that, the prerequisite is you need to enable the Find My Mobile on your Samsung mobiles. Tracking stopped, closing it. That's it. This is the way you can do the setups. If you lost your phone, if it's stolen, you can track the locations on your Samsung mobiles. That's it. Hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.